Today I'm taking you on a tour of a gorgeous model home in Scottsdale built by Toll Brothers. Hello friends, Alejandra here, your local Arizona real estate agent. This channel is all about living in Arizona, moving here, and real estate. So please like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. If my team and I can answer any questions about Arizona or real estate, make sure you reach out. You can easily book a call with us by going to zoomtoarizona.com. Let's go check out this model house. Remember to stay till the end because that's where I share all the goodies. I tell you about the neighborhood, the community, and the surrounding areas. As we walk up to the house, we notice the low maintenance yard and desert contemporary architecture. This is the Stellan floor plan, 2,785 square feet. There's a front courtyard area. Here is the attached casita. It has a bedroom suite. There's no kitchenette in here. It has a full bathroom with walk-in shower. There is no direct access to the main house. Going to the front door, we see the large glass iron door. Immediately to the right is a living room area. It's got a glass sliding door, which is both functional but also allows a lot of light into the room. We enter the main living space. Notice the high ceilings and gorgeous kitchen. There's a built-in fireplace. Eating area has quartz on the walls. Immediately we see a powder bathroom. Right next to it is actually a full bathroom. This is a flex space that's been set up as a TV living room type area. We head down the hall, and this has been set up as an office. It is a study space, so there's no bedroom. We head down the hallway and get to the primary suite. Love the large windows. Bathroom has quartz countertops, and in the shower has quartz as well. Nice walk-in closet with customized shelving and storage all the way to the ceiling. Entire house has tile flooring throughout. It's a nice neutral color and they are oversized tiles. The home has a gourmet kitchen with a large oversized island. Love the quartz countertops. They also put it on the wall. There's a gas range cooktop with 6 burners, walk-in pantry. top of the line appliances with cabinets going to the ceiling. Here is the laundry room with cabinets and a sink. Large covered back patio. Plenty of room. They added in a pool. Travertine flooring outside with turf. There's a built-in fireplace. Built-in barbecue area. Gosh, that house is absolutely breathtaking. Toll Brothers really knows how to build homes. This is the Stellan floor plan. It's 2,785 square feet. It gets 3 bedrooms, but can be 4 bedrooms, and it's got 3 bathrooms. The tour that I took you on showed an attached casita. That is an additional option, but if you don't switch that out, that will come standard as a bedroom with direct access to the house. The house is designed for easy living lifestyle and has gorgeous desert contemporary architecture. Toll Brothers offers all these ways to personalize the home. For instance, you can actually choose the way the exterior of the house looks. So there's desert contemporary, there's Spanish contemporary, and modern. The house starts at $1,558,995. That is the starting price, and it will increase depending on each option that you select. Toll Brothers allows all kinds of ways to customize the home and make it your own, such as a larger island, attached casita as we saw earlier, adding an additional garage, and then things like countertops, cabinets, all kinds of ways. The neighborhood is called Sereno Canyon, and this is the Villa collection, which offers 7 different floor plans available. There are single level homes ranging from 2,509 to 3,489 square feet. So that's a big range of homes available in sizes. All of them has got the Sonoran desert views, and you can see the McDowell Mountains. Sereno Canyon is a gated community. It's got tons of wonderful amenities. The Mountain House Lodge is amazing. When you get there, you're gonna feel like you're at a resort somewhere. It's got a resort style pool with cabanas, a great fitness center, plus they offer and plan all these fun events throughout the month. I love the location of this neighborhood. It's located in North Scottsdale near Pinnacle Peak. The neighborhood feels remote as it's surrounded by desert and mountains. It's truly beautiful and you feel like you're on vacation somewhere. And if you love hiking, there's literally hiking trails that you can walk to from the neighborhood. Now, even though the neighborhood feels remote, the local shopping and grocery stores are only 20 minutes away. Right now, the Villa collection has 4 quicker move-in homes available. What that means is they have already started the construction on them, and many of the options and designs have been laid out. But rest assured, designers pick all of these, so they are going to be beautiful homes. But the bonus is that you can move into them quicker. I hope you enjoyed this tour of this gorgeous model home. And if you did, make sure you like and subscribe. That way you can stay in the family and know when the next video comes out. Now, if you want to see other beautiful homes or learn about different areas, make sure you check out my channel. I've got tons of great videos, and if there's a topic you want to see a video on, just comment below. I'm happy to put that together for you. If my team and I can help you in any way, don't forget to get connected with us by going to zoomtoarizona.com. I'll see you next time. Bye.